Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, as we have started our chapter ratio, rate and proportion, and we have already discussed the above two topics, ratio of two or more quantities and ordering of ratios. Now in this part we will discuss remaining two subtopics, types of ratios and equivalent ratios. Types of ratios, and which first is part-to-part ratio. Ratio that compare a selected number of parts in a whole to the number of other parts in the whole. Let's take an example. First type of ratio comparison is part-to-part comparison. As you can see here, we have the ratio of strawberries to oranges is 2 to 3. Or in another way, we can compare the ratio of oranges to strawberries, that is 3:2. Here you can see we have a part that is strawberry. There are 2 strawberries and here we have 3 oranges, right? Now 2 to 3 or 3 to 2. These are the part-to-part comparisons, right? But in part-to-whole comparison ratio that compares the total of all parts in a whole to a selected number of parts in the whole, then this type of ratio will be part-to-whole ratio. Let's understand with an example. Suppose in this example, as you can see, we have total 12 circles are there, in which 4 are red, 3 are yellow, while number of green circles are 5. If we are interested in finding the ratio of red circles with the whole, then this will be equals to what? 4 by 12, right? As you can see, this is not in the simplest form. Then this whole fraction can be divided by 4. We will get 1:3, right? But if we are interested in finding only the yellow part ratio with the whole, then this will be equals to 3 by 12, right? And if we are interested in finding the ratio of green circles with the whole, then this will be equals to what? Definitely 5 by 12, right? Now next topic will be equivalent ratios. All ratios that are equivalent to A is to B can be made by multiplying or dividing both A and B by the same number. The concept of equivalent ratios is same as the equivalent fraction which you have learned in class 6. As you can see, here we have the ratio of 18:12. Look at here. This 18:12 is equals to 9:6. How? As 9:6 means both the quantities of this ratio is getting multiplied by the same number, that is 2, and it will become 18 and 12. We will say these two ratios are equivalent to each other, right? Similarly, here you can see 3:2. This ratio will be equivalent to 9:6. How? You can say if we multiply both the number by 3, we will get 9:6. Or we can say if we divide 9:6 with 3, then we will get 3:2, right? Now, Tell me, if we have 18 is to 15, this equivalent to 9 is to 6 or not? Let's see. When I multiply this 9 with 2, I will get 18. But I multiply this 6 with 2, I will not get this number 15. I will get what? Definitely 6 2s are 12. But here 15 is written. It means these two ratios are not equivalent. Right? Hope you all understand today's lecture. We will meet again in next lecture. Allah Hafiz.